Hi, this is the new update from Canva, the easiest way to create gradient text in Canva. Go to text and type the text and then select all, click text color, scroll down and choose the default gradient tools. And if you want to edit the colors, click here, click text color, click here, click again, and then add the bullet and change the color as you want. Alright, now you have it, and you can also change the style. Alright, so this is the new update from Canva. See you next video and have fun with Canva.